Once upon a time in a village nestled between rolling hills and a dense forest, there lived a young shepherd boy whose duty it was to guard the village sheep. But the boy was bored, so he started shouting, "Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers came running, but there was no wolf. The boy just laughed and laughed. The next day he did it again. The villagers were more scared this time, but still no wolf. Again, the boy just laughed and laughed. But then one day a real wolf appeared. The boy screamed for help, but this time no one came to help. The wolf scattered the flock, and the boy was left crying alone. So remember, little friends, if you lie for fun, no one will believe you when it matters most.